Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking down all of my Christmas decorations. Today is only December 28th and I thought I was going to wait until the new year to take it all down, but I'm just ready to be done with Christmas. I'm ready to pack it all away and get my house back to normal. So today we're going to be taking down the Christmas decorations, doing some cleaning, and also doing a little bit of redecorating. I got to get back out the decorations that I packed away so that I could bring out the Christmas decorations. So hopefully this video can give you some motivation. If you can't quite find the motivation to take down all of your Christmas decorations and clean your house and stuff, hopefully this video can be motivating for you. So we are going to just get right into it. So this is the tub that I keep all of my Christmas decorations in, and it is just full of empty boxes right now to pack all the stuff into. So I'm going to be going through all my Christmas decorations. I might be getting rid of a couple things because I want to buy some new stuff next Christmas. So I'm going to be going through all that. We're going to start with taking down the tree. I've got all of my cleaning stuff ready so that we can do some cleaning along the way. So now I've got the tree disassembled. I have each color in different bunches, and to make it easier for next year, I am going to use some rubber bands and tie each bunch together to put it into the box. That way it's easier to put the tree together next year. Okay, now my living room is back to normal. All the Christmas is gone. It's nice and clean in here. And it always feels so empty in here after you take down the Christmas tree. Over here is looking back to normal. I missed having these decorations on this table here. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!